Hello students, today we will deal chapter number 4, that is an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Okay, this is from the English book class 6th from the book Honeysuckle. Okay, so if you don't know, she is the Kalpana Chawla. Okay, she is the Kalpana Chawla. If you don't know, look at here. Let's see now. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, which is in Haryana. Her schooling was done from Tagore School. Her schooling was done from the Tagore School, which is in Haryana. She did her Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering. Okay, she did her Bachelor of Science (BSc) in Aeronautical Engineering. Okay, so she went to USA to pursue her master's degree. Okay, so she went to USA, United States of America, to pursue her master's degree. She earned her PhD, that is the great degree. Okay, degree in philosophy. Okay, master of philosophy in aerospace engineering. Okay, she was married to flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. Okay, she married to a flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. She was a certified flight instructor and a qualified pilot. Okay, she was a certified flight instructor and a qualified pilot. She was a qualified pilot also. She was hired as a research scientist at NASA and was selected as astronaut in 1994. Okay, so she was a certified flight instructor and a qualified pilot also. And then afterwards, she was hired by the NASA. You know what is NASA? NASA is a National Aeronautics Space Administration. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, which is in America, and was selected as an astronaut in 1994. You know what is astronaut? Astronaut means one who gets trained to fly the aeroplane. Okay, he wants to the person who wants to become a pilot is called astronaut. Okay, so he was selected as an astronaut in 1994. Kalpana Chawla herself revealed that she never dreamt of crossing the frontiers of space. Okay, so she never dreamt. She had never thought anything about this. Okay, she never thought that she will one day cross the frontiers of the space. Okay, so she became first Indian American astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. So she was the first Indian American woman. Okay, she was the first Indian American woman to fly off, to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. From the Florida, this is the place from where they have blasted off the aircraft. Okay. Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was exactly 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes long, along with Japanese and Ukrainian. So Kalpana's first space mission, first time she had in Space Shuttle Columbia, it was exactly for 15 days, 16 hours, and 34 minutes along with the Japanese and then Ukrainian. Okay, astronauts experimenting upon food growth in space and tests for making faster computer chips. So astronauts, okay, what they are doing, they are experimenting upon food growth in space. They are looking for they are experimenting to grow the crops in the space, and also they are testing computer chips. Okay, faster computer chips in this space. See, so many things they are doing in this space. Okay, she was the forerunner in every way and inspired the millions. She was the forerunner. That means she is the one. She was the first one. That means we can say that earlier one. Okay, first one in every way. She was the first one to do all these things. Okay, so that's why there are millions of people who are inspired by her. So her achievements are innumerable. So many are there, innumerable, which we cannot count. She assured of attaining success by having courage and vision for it. She assured of attaining success by having courage and vision. What she wants to tell, that without courage and vision we cannot get success. Okay, that is what she wants to tell here. But the fatal day on 16th January 2003 has snatched away a brave crusader. But the fatal day, that means she died on 16th January 2000 and 2003. She died on that day. Okay, we lost it, the great fighter, brave fighter. But she left an incredible mark on lives of many. But what happened? Many people still remember her. She left the mark on millions of people, in the lives of many. Okay. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you so much.